back to my channel. Today I'm doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Please pray for me because I do not do my makeup without a mirror. I know some people, that's their gig. They can just quickly touch. Nope. Even if I'm doing touch-ups, I always need my mirror. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm guessing not well. I usually do like film my videos with like a mirror behind my camera just to like, so that I can see, make sure that it's recording and stuff. But I'm even gonna take that mirror away, even though it's not really helping me. I'm genuinely so nervous, and I promise to cover all mirrors with my hand if I'm using like a palette or a compact that has a mirror. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a little like, a little comment, and let's get started. Okay guys, before we officially start, I'm just letting you know that I have a 15-minute timer because I'm not just gonna sit here all day and do this. And a lot of my stuff is like right in front of me so that I can easily grab it. Okay y'all, the 15-minute timer starts now. And I'm using this little gel thing because I do not have the time today to be, oh God, oh Lord Jesus. Oh, this feels so wrong. I do not have the time today to be trying to like map out some brows. This is not enough product, but it's fine. I didn't prime. I'm priming. Oh God, guys, this does not feel correct at all. I don't even know what I'm feeling. Oh God, this is actually insane. This is insane. Oh God. Guys, I'm even gonna try to like attempt to put on lashes. I don't know how, but I'm going to attempt it. And I'm doing like a natural face today, so that's why I'm starting with my face first and not my like eye makeup, because I know you guys know that I do that like that, but I don't know how I'm gonna carve out these brows. I don't know if I should be trying to like carve them out, or if I just leave them as they are. I didn't put any concealer on my forehead. Oh Jesus, this is this. Oh God. No need to stress yet. Oh. It's like also I don't, oh God. Guys, this feels actually unnatural to just be like patting around my face with no like intention. Like, is not what I'm used to. All right, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, cool, enough. 11 minutes, 30 seconds, that's not bad. Oh, I didn't mean to take this again. I know like the general layout of like my face and what I do, but not having a mirror to like even understand what this looks like is such a weird concept. I literally have something to do after this, so I'm really hoping that this comes out well. I probably look what if I look like Flashback Mary right now, James Charles style? Okay, the next thing is I'm gonna put just some bronzer. Sorry, some bronzer. I'm covering it. Some bronzer in my this part right here. Oh, this is foul. This is so foul. child. Okay. I'm just gonna use this highlight right here. This is just the Wet n Wild one. I'm just gonna like lightly try to like put this on my lids really quickly, and then we'll buff it out a little bit. Oh God, I don't even know why I took this extra step on. I should just let it go. Okay. All right. I guess I'll do. I guess things are falling. I guess I'll do bronzer next. I'm doing lashes last. Oh my God, not 9 minutes. I'm actually like almost, and I'm whipping through this, but that's because I don't know what it looks like. Like I genuinely like, it's like I'm going fast because I don't even know. This probably looks really crazy. I feel like maybe I'm not doing so bad though. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Blush is next. Am I singing? I feel like I'm like, it's like I'm trying to beat the clock, but 15 minutes gave me a minute. Like I usually can do my makeup in 15 minutes, but this is a hard one because blush sometimes I'll be going heavy-handed. Oh God. I'm gonna try to smooth that out a little bit. I can't remember, did I put on like my regular face makeup? Like my regular face powder? Oh Jesus. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay, so blush is on. All right, so I need highlight. I almost opened up my compact to like see what I was doing. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that same highlight. Should I try to do eyeliner? Oh my God, I have 7 minutes and I need to put on lashes. Okay, lashes is next. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I feel like lashes is probably the hardest part of this entire thing, and I only have 7 minutes left. So this is not going well. I don't know how I'm gonna put on lashes. I really don't, but that's what I would normally do. And we are not cutting any corners. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do lashes. This is gonna be like the no lash look. All right. I'm gonna let that dry and do lips. I'm gonna use Dubai by NYX. You guys know I love this one. It's just easy. Ugh, maybe not. This doesn't have a lot left in it. I'm just realizing I didn't put any concealer around my mouth whatsoever. Guys, I'm not even the type of girl that can put on lipstick without a mirror. Like that's not a thing. That's not a thing in my world. Oh my God, okay. 5 minutes, like 45 seconds, okay. All right, lashes. That's all I can think of, because these are gonna take me so long. Ow! Don't put tweezers near your eyes, kids. Why do I genuinely feel like that's not the worst lash that's ever gone on? Maybe it probably looks so crazy, but to me it feels fine. Oh God. Okay, well, while we wait for that, let's put a little bronzer underneath the lash line. Ow, ow, my lashes are sticking. Oh god. Oh god. I actually don't feel like this is bad at all. It feels like this is going really well. It feels like it's going, oh my god, 3 minutes. It feels like it's going a lot better than like how I thought it was gonna go, which I'll take. I'm trying to find my little, oh my god, I didn't put on any nose highlight. What is wrong with me? I don't know if I ever take my nose highlight that high. Okay, okay. Okay, now I need to put on some mascara. Oh my god. Ow. Dude, the lashes are on. They're not falling off my face. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing about the lashes. 2 minutes. I need an inner corner highlight. Bet. That was exactly my inner corner. I don't care what anybody says. Ow. Oh god. I just got that totally in my eye. Okay. Okay. So, oh, I want to add, I have like 2 minutes left. I think my eyebrows look crazy. So since I have time, oh god. I put on so much of this. I don't know why I'm like hunching forward for absolutely no reason. I'm like trying to gain some stability. Ugh. Feels goopy. Feels real goopy. Okay, enough of that. What did I just say I wanted to do? Oh, my eyebrows again. I wanted to go back over them. Dude, I literally hunch forward and I genuinely like can't understand why. I wanted to throw on a wing. I didn't think I was gonna have time, but now it's... No, guys, I can't do a wing. I can... Oh, God. "30 seconds, 30 seconds. Oh, God. Don't give up on me now, lashes. Okay, 1. Wow. Hands up. We are done. Time for my reveal. Guys, I genuinely have absolutely no idea how I look right now. This really could look so crazy. All right, ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Okay, but why isn't this bad at all? Okay, the eyebrows are a little messed up. The eyebrows are a little messed up, but like other than that, okay, highlight. Like, okay, my lips didn't even come out bad. Even my eyes didn't even come out bad. Guys, what? Okay, so let me give you guys some close-ups on the looks so that you know exactly what the tea is. This is what it looks like. I am so shocked shook right now. It is unreal. Like, did I just put on lashes basically? Like, I've seen girls' lashes look like this and they had mirrors. Like, I'm so confused. Well, I guess now I know that worst comes to worst, I can put on a full face without any mirror. Good to know. I won this challenge. Tyra won, challenge is 0. That's how I feel. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys liked it. I genuinely did not think this was gonna go as well as it did, but I'm happy that it did. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and a comment if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.